I am Ignacio. This is Angeles Crest Highway. When you reach the Red Box picnic area, you're gonna turn right to Mount Wilson Road and then drive for 2.3 miles and we are gonna arrive to the destination. I made a video with more details on how to get here with all the driving directions for my other channel, On My Way to Adventure. Click on the link to watch it. On the description of the video, I'm going to leave lots of information, including a link to Google Maps to get here and where you can get a parking permit. That is called Natural Forest Adventure Pass. You must have one of those to park here. Today's plan was to hike to two peaks. One of them is Mount Markham and the other one San Gabriel Peak. But the first one is closed, no access, due to the Eaton fire. So I ended up doing only one of them. So from this point to San Gabriel Peak and returning is about 3.2 miles total with an elevation gain of about 1,000 feet. As soon as you set foot on this trail, you start to get views of this beautiful landscape. Last year I was here on this same spot and looked completely different. I'll show you today and last year. Watch the difference. This video from last year, I went hiking to Mount Lowe, which is closed today. It was a misty and foggy day and it was really cool hike. Click on the link to watch the whole video. In all my videos, I will show you step-by-step directions to so many hiking destinations. If this is your first time watching my channel, please subscribe and activate the little bell. That way you will not miss any of my adventures. Thank you so much for your support. In about half a mile into the hike, we'll find this saddle. This is with many trails connect to each other. That way, we'll continue to Mount Lowe, Mount Markham, Echo Mountain, and Bear Canyon. But for now, we cannot go that way because it's closed due to the Eaton fire. So respect the closure. If you ignore the closure, you're gonna put yourself on risk because it's not considered safe. And also, if they find you, they might give you a fine of $5,000. Don't risk it. Be safe. On the right-hand side, we're going to find the trail to San Gabriel Peak. From this point to the top, it's about 1.2 miles. We're going to be going uphill the whole time through a set of switchbacks. I recommend that you do this hike very early in the morning because it's very exposed, or do it when it's not too hot, and bring plenty of water all the time. you start going up, the views will get better and better. These peaks here have some weird names. I'm not 100% sure, but I think that one is Mount Deception, and then to the right it is Mount Disappointment. And up there, San Gabriel Peak. We are almost there, we're halfway. In about 1.2 miles into the hike, we're going to find this intersection of trails. If you go to the left, it will take you to Mount Disappointment. It should take you about 15 minutes to get to it that way. Also, you can come hiking from Red Box all the way to San Gabriel Peak. It is a longer hike if you like to do it. For now, we're going to the right that way. We're about less than half a mile to get to the top. I also have a video on how to get to the top of Strawberry Peak, which is that one over there. Click on the link to watch it. I'm not sure the name of the one next to it on the right. If you know it, would you please let me know in the comments? Thank you. And we made it. This is San Gabriel Peak. From up here you get beautiful views of the Angeles National Forest and the San Gabriel Mountains, and also part of Los Angeles on a clear day. In 1894, the United States Geological Survey, from a distance, they thought this was the tallest mountain on this front range. When they did their difficult hike all the way to the top and found out that it was actually not the tallest, they were very disappointed of that. The tallest on this area is what's today San Gabriel Peak. That's why it has the name Mount Disappointment. I think this trail is perfect for beginners if you're new to hiking. I have many videos of the San Gabriel Mountains. Click on the link that is going to appear at the end to watch them. Thank you so very much for watching and your support. Until next time.